President Trump started the day calling Fed Chairman Jerome Powell names and pressuring him to lower interest rates. The comment caused an immediate reaction on Wall Street. All major stock indexes spent the day deep in the red, each ending down more than 2%. Money Watch correspondent Kelly O'Grady joins me now. Kelly, a new day, a new strange thing happening. Why do you think the markets reacted this way?
Well, this was really majorly driven by the president's comments about Fed Chair Powell. And I mean, we've been here before. Yeah. This back and forth has been developing. But the mere hint that we could potentially see a legal battle, that at the most extreme, we could see a White House that has more influence on monetary policy, has a lot of investors uneasy. And the reason is that every economist will tell you, John, that if you have a president that controls interest rates, you're going to see higher inflation. The other thing I'll note is a lot of investors are looking at things and going, where are the trade deals? Every investor that I've talked to has gotten a little bit less bullish on the fact that we are going to see these trade deals in soon.
And one of the reasons the president is angry at Jerome Powell said tariffs are going to raise prices. And the president reacted to that. Here's one of the things the president said today. Quoting from him now, there is virtually no inflation, but there can be slowing of the economy. And then he said that only slowing would happen if Powell lowered interest rates now, it would only happen, the slowing of the economy, if he kept rates high. Mm-hmm. Fact check that for us, would you?
So the president is right when it comes to inflation, somewhat. You look at the past month, consumer price inflation actually was negative. Prices came down, mainly driven by gas. On an annual basis, prices still rose 2.4%. Mm-hmm. But the past 2 months have been a good report card. But that doesn't take into the effect what could happen with tariffs. And even the president has admitted there could be short-term pain when it comes to prices. And so, yeah, Fed Chair Powell has said there could be an economic slowdown, but the Fed can't cut interest rates solely based on what has happened with inflation. They also have to project what could happen with it.
20 seconds. What's happening with the dollar?
U.S. investors, or investors in general, are not feeling as safe about U.S. assets. They are selling off the dollar. They are fleeing the bond market, and you are seeing the value of the dollar decrease.